Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Friends, in our last session we have learned some examples regarding how to find the cube of a given 4-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra as well as Edupedia Sutra. But now, in this session, we are going to learn a new concept in which we are going to find the cube of a given 4-digit number or 3-digit number which are very closer to the bases rather than tens, hundreds, etc. So friends, why to wait? Let us see with an example. So here in this session, the example that I am going to take here is find the cube of 203. So friends, in order to find the cube of the given number that is 203, we do have some parts of procedures that we have to follow. So the first part of procedure that we have to follow here is the left part. So here in the left part, the first step what we have to do is we have to find the nearest base of the given number that is 203. So therefore here the nearest base of 203 is 200. Now after finding the base, moving to step number 2, now what we have to do here is we have to find the excess. So friends, I think you know that the excess is found out by comparing the given number and the base. So friends, if we compare 203 with the 200, we get an excess of 3 and it is taken over here. After taking the excess, now moving to step number 3, what we have to do here is we have to multiply the excess with the 3 again. So therefore 3 into 3 we get 9 as the product. Now moving to step number 4, now what we have to do here is we have to add the product what we have got to the base. So therefore by adding 200 plus 9 we get 209, and this 209 is the required left part what we get over here. Now after completing the process of left part and moving to the process of middle part, the first step what we have to do here is we have to take the answer what we have got in the left part and we have to find the nearest base and excess for it. So therefore by taking the left part answer that is 209, the nearest base is 200 and the excess is 9. I think you know that excess is found out by comparing the number and the nearest base. So here by comparing 209 with the 200 we get an excess of 9 and it is taken over here. After finding the nearest base and excess, now moving to step number 2, what we have to do here is we have to multiply the excess of new sum with the actual excess. So here the new excess what we have got is 9 and the actual excess what we have got is 3. So therefore by multiplying 9 into 3 we get 27 as the product. After finding this product is regarded as the required middle part over here. After completing the process of middle part and moving to the process of right part, the first and last step what we have to do here is we have to find the cube of actual excess. So therefore here the actual excess what we have got is 3 and by cubing the number 3 we get 27 as the required answer, and therefore 27 is regarded as the required right part. After getting all the parts, now what we have to do here is we have to take the base what we have got that is 200 and we have to ignore the zeros, then we get the number 2, and now we have to multiply the left part with the square of the number 2 and the middle part with the number itself that is 2. So therefore left part answer what we are going to get here is 209 into 2 square, which is equals to 209 into 4 and that is equals to 836. And after getting the left part and moving to the middle part, here 27 into 2 is equals to 54. Now after getting all the parts, that is the left part, the middle part and the right part, we have to write all these parts in an order like this and we have to place some horizontal and vertical bars like this. Now friends, you know that here the base what we have taken is 200 and the number of zeros are 2. So therefore we have to take only 2 digits in right part as well as in the middle part. So friends, if you observe the right part answer we are having only 2 digits, so therefore I am taking 2 digits as it is in the answer, and coming to the middle part here we are having only 2 digits that is 54, so therefore I am taking 54 as it is in the middle part of the answer. And finally coming to the left part, here we can have as many digits as we want, so therefore here I am taking the whole answer that is 836 as it is in my answer. And therefore by combining all the parts of the answers what we have got here we get the final result, and therefore we can say that 203 cube is equals to 8,365,427. So friends, this is the way how we can use Yavadunam Sutra in finding the cube of a given 3-digit number which is very nearer to the base 200. And I think you have understood pretty well how to use this Yavadunam Sutra when the given number is nearer to the base 200. So friends, for watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.